Crispy shrimp and creamy polenta, this combo is pure perfection. Season fresh shrimp with garlic, paprika, salt, and a touch of olive oil. Place the shrimp in the air fryer and cook until golden and crispy. Meanwhile, prepare creamy polenta until smooth and velvety. Add butter and cheese to the polenta for extra richness. Plate the creamy polenta and top it with crispy air-fried shrimp. Drizzle with sauce or garnish with fresh herbs. Crispy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Try it today. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, these salmon nuggets are irresistible. Cut fresh salmon into bite-sized cubes for perfect nuggets. Season with garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Place the nuggets in the air fryer in a single layer. Air fry until golden, crispy, and cooked to perfection. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce, like garlic mayo or lemon sauce. Watch that crispy texture and juicy inside. Healthy, quick, and delicious, air fryer salmon nuggets done right. Golden, crispy scallops in minutes. This air fryer recipe is a game changer. Pat sea scallops dry, then season lightly with salt and pepper. Dip each scallop in egg, then coat with seasoned breadcrumbs. Place them in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Air fry until golden brown and perfectly crispy. Serve with lemon wedges or your favorite dipping sauce. Watch that crispy coating and tender inside. Quick, crispy, and restaurant-quality scallops at home. Craving crispy golden crab cakes without the oil? Let's make them in the air fryer. Here's what you need: fresh crab meat, breadcrumbs, mayo, egg, Dijon mustard, garlic, lemon juice, and seasoning. In a bowl, gently mix everything together. Don't overmix. You want those crab chunks to stay intact. Form into small patties and place them on a tray. Chill for 10 to 15 minutes to help them hold shape. Air fry at 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway until golden and crispy. Look at that crispy outside and tender inside. Absolutely perfect. Save this recipe and follow for more easy air fryer meals. Crispy fish sticks without deep frying? You need to try this. White fish fillets, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Cut the fish into strips, then coat in flour, dip in egg, and cover with seasoned breadcrumbs. Place them in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Don't overcrowd. Air fry at 400 to 200 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway until golden and crispy. Perfectly crispy outside, tender and flaky inside, better than frozen. Save this for later and follow for more easy air fryer recipes. Want perfectly crispy crumbed fish without deep frying? Watch this. White fish fillets, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and a little oil spray. Pat the fish dry, then coat in flour, dip in egg, and cover with seasoned breadcrumbs. Place in the air fryer basket and lightly spray with oil for that golden crunch. Air fry at 400 degrees, 200 degrees C, for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway until crispy and golden. Crispy outside, flaky and juicy inside, this is next-level fish. Save this recipe and follow for more easy air fryer meals. Crispy crab rangoon without deep frying? You have to try this. Cream cheese, crab meat, green onions, garlic powder, soy sauce, wonton wrappers, and a little oil spray. Mix cream cheese, crab, green onions, and seasoning until smooth and creamy. Spoon the filling into wonton wrappers, then fold and seal the edges. Place them in the air fryer and lightly spray with oil. Air fry at 375 degrees, 190 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until golden and crispy. Crispy outside, creamy inside, better than takeout. This lobster ravioli bake is creamy, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. Start by placing lobster ravioli into a baking dish. Pour over a rich, creamy sauce made with garlic, butter, and cream. Add a layer of shredded cheese for that gooey, melty goodness. Sprinkle herbs and a touch of seasoning for extra flavor. Bake until bubbly and golden on top. Watch the cheese melt into creamy perfection. Serve hot and enjoy this restaurant-quality dish at home.